we are doing some more neat stuff. We're getting certainly closer. I have the train assembled, also with the automatic winding system, because this is the barrel and train bridge that covers the whole thing. No, but it came well. So far, it looks great. Yeah, I mean, it really does look nice. I just have this down because I still need to do the die fix caps and all that crap. I just have it screwed down to check function and make sure everything's okay. Yeah. So I just got to get that on. These are really nice movements. This is some quality stuff. Gosh, you can tell it's been a while since I've looked at one of these, huh? But really, this is nice. It is nice. I'm very curious to see how it's going to go. So, that was it for a check-in. I replaced some more parts. I was hoping to be able to find one of these transmission gears for the automatic winding from the 5645s and such that have the interior of these are jeweled. I couldn't, but that's okay. I looked. But this one's pretty roached. So on we're gonna go. Die fix settings, and then put in the ratchet and everything, and I'm gonna drop the balance. Someone is out of bed.
Who?
You're out of bed.
Mommy's not gonna put me to bed.
Who's what?
Mommy's not gonna put me to bed.
Mommy's not gonna put you to bed.
Oh, I have to talk to them.
What? No, what? Why? What do you need to say?
It's just something about this thing.
What about that? That's a scraper from an old printing press.
Actually, this watch.
Isn't this neat? Look at this watch. Okay, wait, is it going?
What's that X thing?
Oh, it is going. What X thing? Oh, it's just telling you where it's focusing. Don't touch anything. So, hang on, buddy. Sebastian, okay. Folks, here we go. So these, in an effort to make them small, not only is the movement short and the plate's all cleared out, but they have, they sort of really, you have this oblique angle on the pallet fork. Because they wanted these things to be so flat. Now, I am thankfully ahead of the curve on the one thing I always need to remember to do, which is before you drop the balance on, you've got to put back your second setting lever. Gosh, no, these are super sharp. I'm sorry, man, I should not have let you.
Can I talk to them?
What do you want to say?
Talk about this watch. So he's actually putting the balance things.
I am, but I'm going to put in the pallet fork cock first.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, absolutely, that's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, Seabass, do not move me, because I'm working with the pallet fork. Look at that, just drop right in. Now, before we really firm this down, you always want to make sure that it's flicking back and forth, but you don't want to firm it down because you'll snap the pinion, and that's no good. Okay, let's see. Okay.
Daddy, I pressed the watch this button, and you know what happened? Look what I did. Look.
Wow, click. Hey, look at that. You started the chronograph. Yep, okay, so that is clicking over nice. So, I'll just firm that down now. Check your bridge screws. Yes?
When I press this hand isn't moving.
Well, that's because you hit the split time. This stops and starts the count, but doesn't reset it. Hit the button again. See, look, and then it goes back to where it was starting. Now you can stop it.
Right here?
Yeah, stop that. That's the button. You push that button, stop it, click, and then you reset it with that one. Click, there it goes, just like that. What? What are you going to talk to? Oh, what? You want? Well, here. Let me move my watch out of the way. Okay.
This watch is so pretty.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, let's. I want to put this balance in. So let's do the thing. Okay. So Sebastian,
What?
I'm putting in a balance. That means you got to watch yourself. Look, you can't come anywhere near me. Okay. Don't bump me. Think about what you're doing.
Why not?
Okay. Yeah, because I do not want to damage this watch. Come on, stop fighting me. Oh, come on. Oh, well, the stop lever. That doesn't help us. It's really hard to put in a balance if you have the setting lever engaged.
So
Sebastian, wait, are you ready, Sebastian? Sebastian, this watch hasn't run in probably
what is it?
30 or 40 years. What?
What kind of watch is it?
This watch is a 5619. It is a GMT. That means it has an independently settable hand.
Then why does this one why does this thing right here break?
Well, it doesn't break. It just comes off. But here, can you back up, please? Please, please, please. Just back up just a hair. I don't want to get bonked while I'm doing this, okay? Then I got to demag the Jiminy out of this thing and see if I can get any decent numbers out of it. I don't know. It looks like it's not too happy right now. Well, let's demag it. It's running. I demagged it. She's clicking along a little better. I have no idea what the numbers are going to be. And I don't know the actual lift angle for this, so I'm just going to leave it at 52. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Come on, stop that. This iPhone 12 has the worst gosh darn camera in the world. It's terrible. Okay, so we have 1.2 beat error, and it's gaining a little bit of time, but we're going to get rid of that beat error first. As usual, you cannot... Oh, that's a very nice tummy. Sebastian, don't touch me, because I'm going to be messing with the balance, okay? So just please be careful for me. Okay, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to get rid of that beat error first. There's a little bit. So I moved the main arm here with the stud in it ever so slightly anti-clockwise, and it looks like okay. Why are you showing me your tummy? You keep pulling up your shirt. What for?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well then don't. I'm trying to concentrate on watches. I don't know about those numbers. Well, if you really want to.
I just want to.
You do?
Yeah. I want to.
Okay, by the way, I'm winding the mainspring, so we're going to see a big spike in numbers. So don't think there was some miracle. Okay, Sebastian, you can talk.
So this bracelet's cool because it goes like...
Oh, isn't that neat? Okay.
Yeah, it's neat, alright.
It's neat already, he says. That's neat. Okay, so we are going to adjust it a little bit more to bring in that accuracy. I mean, I don't know why I'm complaining. These are pretty great numbers for what we started with, right? I mean, I didn't replace any of the wheels. Oh, what? Really? Oh, really? The adjustment arm, I can't go any further over there? That's as far as I can get for adjusting. Really? That doesn't make any sense at all. Maybe it's the banking pins aren't set up right. That's really strange. That's just bizarre.
Yes. So Dad, what does this watch bicycle like?
That is because it's a kind of bracelet. It's made of springs and it's called a Twisto-Flex. Okay, I got some. There's something funky going on here.
Can I talk to them?
If you think that's the right thing to do right now.
So, what do you like about this, guys?
Oh, they can't see that. It says, hang on a second, hold on. To say something.
So, what do you like about this?
I don't know. So let me tell the people what this is. He thinks this is neat. This is a Twisto-Flex. But I found this actually in my junk stuff, literally my box of junk, cases of junk. And it was just black and in pieces. It's actually really cool. This is for watch. It's solid silver. This is Navajo silver, I think.
Can you give me it?
But it goes on a watch like this.
No, I just want...
There it is.
I want it on this watch.
I'm not no, it won't fit on that watch, buddy. Trust me, it won't. I ain't lying. Okay, our numbers now, we're in about the 240 range. Correct original bridge came apart. It was already, the rivets were already loose. And I can re-rivet them. And I'm going to at some point. Because actually the automatic framework is in really nice shape. If it wasn't loose, it would be perfect. But I can, if I get, I can hunt down something rivet material or rivets. So in the meantime, the best next weight I have to let the thing roll in the meantime is this one. I gotta change my finger cots. Yeah, that's the next best one. It's not the prettiest, but it'll get the job done. Dude, this is not a jungle gym. Okay. I was wrong. I already selected the best one. That's what I get for getting distracted. Yeah, I see. That's nice. Yeah. It's great. I'm going to lubricate that one, and that's the one that's going to be. And when I have time on the right materials, I will fix this one and put that back in so the movement has the right thing. Hey, buddy.
What?
Mommy's going to come and get you soon.
Why?
Because it's way after your bedtime, and you know you're supposed to.
Get me soon?
Well, I mean, she might. You know your mother. She does certainly enjoy putting you to bed. Okay, so let's run in the 240s right now. It'll run higher when I get the weight on there, because having the weight on there will support the automatic winding system, which gives a boost to everything else. What am I doing? Ah, yes. Handy dandy lubricants. Lubricants are important. They're an important part of life in almost every aspect. It's certainly true. Can't do much without lubricants. Without things being slippery. Okay. So let me go. You can just watch that thing ticking along. I'm gonna do this. Get some lubricant in there. Have your lubricant. Oh yeah, that one's all jacked up too. Oh no, sorry. I picked up some Rotico, and the crown is all winding. The winding pinion is all jacked up. Let's see. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. That's gonna be fine. Yes, sir. Let me just. Yeah, that's gonna be fine. Let's just test that again. Yeah, I think we're good to go there. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not gonna sing some Sousa. I have to believe there's at least one person cursing me right now for getting marching music into their head. Okay. There's that. That's a pretty watch movement. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Jeez, oh Pete, God, the kids get out of bed and they just will not go to sleep. No, that's looking pretty tasty. Okay, I gotta flip it over and look at some stuff.